Hey guys, Tim here. Today I'm going to show you a quick trick on cleaning your chains without solvent. Sometimes you need solvent and nothing beats a good soak in a 2-stroke mix, but sometimes you just can't be bothered. So this chain's pretty gunked up. I was doing a palm yesterday, and if you've ever cut palm, it's a really fibrous, sticky, pulpy, crappy thing to cut. It's really hard on the saws, and the chain is absolutely covered. So what we're going to do, just put it on a bench or flat surface, wire brush, hold the end, and really scrub down the chain. Now don't worry about the edges of your teeth, blunting them. If your chain's like this, it's probably due for a sharpen anyway, especially through palm. So we're going to go ahead and sharpen this chain after we've cleaned it. Flip it over, do the other side, and get the middle, and you can get worthy chains. And it's a really effective way of cleaning your chain. It's pretty good. The saw will, once you get it pretty clean, the saw will clean the rest with the bar oil. So it can actually move now. Before it was very stiff. Don't know whether you can see, but take my word for it, it's much cleaner. Well, I hope that tip will save you some time, and see you next time.